Friends, Karnataka Examination Authority has issued the notification, and also today they have started online application for the assistant professors for government first grade colleges of Karnataka. So if you go to the website of KEA, you can find the recruitment. In the recruitment, you can have the government first grade college assistant professor 2021. If you click on that, you will be getting all the notifications, rules, gadget copy, application guidelines, notification, and the syllabus. Before online application, just go through the application guidelines for government first grade college assistant professor. If you click on this second link, so you will be getting all the application guidelines. And if you click on the first link, that is online application form, you will be getting this screen. In this screen you can find there is a submit a fresh application, upload your photo and signature, generate the post office challan, then check the payment status and print the application. And if you forget the application ID, you can have the last option. So now before filling this online application form, the instruction is given. Please read all the instructions carefully before submitting the fresh application. Now if you click on submit fresh application form, this form asks you the few questions. So whichever the question is having the asterisk with the red color is the mandatory one. If you have already applied it, say yes. If it first time if you are applying and filling this form, say no. Then the first field asks you the name of the applicant as per the SSLC or the 10th mark sheet. Now your name should be typed here. Then the next is, if the name is different from that in the SSLC marks card, then type yes and enter the name which is different from the SSLC marks card. If it's same, say no. Then go to the second field, that is the date of birth, and it should be as per your SSLC mark sheet and the place of birth. The third field is the name of the mother. Fourth field is the name of the father. And fifth field is the gender. You have to select the gender. Then sixth field is, are you married? If yes. If no, select no. By default is no. And similarly, by default, the nationality is Indian. And religion. So if it asks the religion, you may choose the religion. And according to the religion, also you need to select the category. Okay, if you are a GM candidate or SC, ST or any other OBC category, select that category and then mention the name of the caste in the 10th field. 11th field is if you are claiming for the age relaxation. So in which category or under which category you belong, whether you are ex-serviceman or in service, NSS instructor or village group inspector, census or physically handicapped, bonded labor, etc. If you are belong to more than one category also, you may choose more than one category in the 11th field. The 12th field is asking you, are you the group C employee of the Department of Collegiate Education? If yes, say yes. If no, say no. The 13th field is if you are claiming any reservation. If you are claiming reservation, in which category you comes under. So if you are claiming for the rural, so select rural. If you are rural also and Kannada medium also, select both. Physic- physically disabled, then select the physically disabled. 14th field is, are you claiming for a reservation under Hyderabad Karnataka region under the article of 371J? Say yes. If yes, the candidate has to give the valid registration number of the 371J, and also select whether you are a local cadre or residual parent cadre. If not, say no. Then mention the telephone details like your STD code and landline number if you have. Otherwise, you mention the phone number, which is the permanent one, not the temporary. And next is the postal address details for the communication. Then mention the district. From this drop down menu, you can select the district. If you belong to other state, select the other state. Then mention the pin code, then mention the mail ID, then go for the 21st field, that is the competitive examination where you want to appear this examination. So there are few examination centers are listed. Total 7 examination centers are given in Karnataka: Bangalore, Dharwad, Kalburgi, Mysore, Shimoga, Belgavi and Mangalore. So these are the 7 examination center cities they gave. So you can choose whichever is nearer to you. Next is the subject applying for, in which subject you have completed your master degree and for which post you are applying. That subject you need to choose from this. Okay, if I am a computer science, so I will select a computer science. Somebody is from commerce, so they may choose commerce. And somebody is applying for chemistry, they may choose the chemistry. Similarly, the next is PG degree, what you have completed. So BCom, BBM, BBA with MCom, or B.Ed with M.Ed, like this. The list of options are given. Somebody is completed MCA, they may mention MCA, then MSc, MS, MTech, etc. And the next, after choosing the PG degree, next is subject studied in the PG. So if you click on this drop down, you will be getting a list. Okay, so I have not selected this. If I select this MSc, I will be getting the list. Okay, so here I need to select the subject also. Let me select computer science. Okay, so when I choose the computer science, it will give me the list of options like PG is either MSc, MCA, MTech or MS. If I select say commerce, then the PG degree list would be different. Now you can see MCom, BBA, MBBA with MCom. Okay, so I may choose the PG subject. So if I select this one, so I may choose the subject studied in the PG, like this. Okay, if I go to this computer science, and then I will be having different options here. So I will choose MSc if I studied MSc. If I studied the MCA, I will choose MCA or MS. Then according to the MSc, so it will generate the list of subjects. I will choose information technology. If I completed PhD with coursework, I will choose this one. Even though NetSet is completed, I may choose these also. Only PhD, so it will display the 3 radio buttons asking you few questions like a PhD degree, all which you complete accordance with the University Grant Commission minimum standard and procedure for awarding MPhil PhD degree, regulation 2019 or 2016. If you yes, select yes. If your PhD or MPhil program is registered prior to the 11th June 2009, then choose the second one. If your PhD is from other university, now you can see if I choose the second one, it is giving me PhD degree has been awarded in a regular mode, or thesis is submitted by at least 2 external or not, like this. All other detail it is asking. If I go for first, then it is not asking those questions. Okay, The 26th field is all about the UG program and the PG program, in which month it is being awarded, which year, then percentage. If it is in percentage, if it is in CGPA, choose the CGPA and mention the percentage. Similarly, the university name and the place of the university. Similarly, select the PG details, PhD, then go for the next field, that is 27. Are you presently a permanent employee? If you are a permanent employee, or if it is not applicable to you, just click on the last, that is NA, that is not applicable. Then you will be having other questions like, have you obtained no objection certificate from employer for this recruitment? If yes, select yes. If no, select no. If you are not at all a employee. Okay. So if you are an employee of local authority, corporation and any board, then choose this option. Okay. Again, it will generate the same question. Okay. So if you are a state government employee or central government employee, choose that option also, and it will again ask you the question whether you have obtained no objection NOC certificate from your employer or not. After all these, just click on this declaration, then click on this preview button. Okay, so after preview means whether you have filled all the fields correctly or not, you can verify in the preview, and then you will be getting a submit button. You can submit it, and later on you can upload the photograph and signatures and generate the challan, and then check the payments details. This is how you can fill this form, online form for the recruitment for the assistant professors for the government first grade colleges of Karnataka. Thank you.